Hey everyone, Ryan here from DIY Painting. Today I'm going to share with you a game-changing trick to paint high walls without ever having to climb a ladder. Ladders can be awkward, they can be uncomfortable, and let's face it, downright dangerous. In fact, did you know there are over 300 ladder-related deaths and 500,000 injuries each year? But don't worry, with my method, you'll stay safe and efficient. But first, let me tell you a bit about my painting journey. I've been painting for 23 years and have had my fair share of terrifying ladder experiences. From 40-foot ladders over concrete to rickety setups in commercial spaces, I've seen it all. But it was a job at a church in 2013 that changed everything for me. As I stood on the second to last rung of a 40-foot ladder with power lines just 10 feet away, I realized that no amount of money was worth risking my life. That's when I started thinking about how to work smarter and safer. So let's get into it. Here's a simple yet effective method I use to paint high walls without a ladder. It's not a revolutionary idea, but it works wonders. All you need is an extension pole, some painter's tape, and your trusty paintbrush and roller. Here we are in a stairwell I recently painted. It might not be extremely high, but it's tight and challenging. Perfect for demonstrating this method.
So here's my trick for you. In order to paint high walls, all you need is a tall extension pole, maybe like a two-step ladder sometimes too if your extension pole's a little short. What I like to do is to tape my brush onto the extension pole and do all my cutting in like this. And it's surprisingly easy. You wouldn't believe it. You'd think you'd have little control. But with just a little bit of practice, this works incredibly well. But you can get pretty fast with this method. And then just cut in your ceilings with a brush on a pole. And it works fantastic, so check it out. So I'm done with the brush on the pole. Not the easiest thing in the world, but it works. If you don't have a ladder and you need to figure out a way how to get those high walls, it's absolutely doable. And longer the pole, a little step ladder can help or something. I use a little two-step here that I use for everything in the house, and rather than bring in a big folding ladder to do this stairwell, just knocked it out with a pole and a two-step ladder. So I'm going to cut in the rest of it around all the trim, everything like that, and move on to rolling.
I hope you found this method helpful. Painting high walls doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and techniques, you can achieve professional results without risking your safety. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more painting tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy painting.